In this video, you will learn how to install and launch the simulation of Robotnik's RB-KAIROS Plus robot in ROS 2. We've also seen how to interact with the robot and visualize sensor data with RVIZ 2. The RB-KAIROS Plus is a versatile mobile manipulator robot, ideal for industrial applications such as pick and place, part feeding, metrology, quality control, operations on large parts or packaging, cleaning, polishing, screwing, drilling, and many more. Gazebo Sim 8.9.0 and ROS 2 Jazzy versions are required for the correct installation and launching of the simulation. Installation and setup. Follow the instructions provided on the Robotnik simulation GitHub page. You can copy the commands directly from the instructions page. Open a new terminal and install all the required dependencies. Create a new workspace where most of the dependencies will be downloaded and installed. Install the system dependencies. Build the workspace. Launching the simulation. The Gazebo world is spawned first. It is possible to spawn any Robotnik's robot. The robot model is set by means of a launch argument. The RB-KAIROS Plus is spawned together with an instance of the RVIZ application. Robot arm control. Move any arm joint by using the RQT joint trajectory controller. Use RVIZ to check that the model is updated correctly and to see data from the robot sensors. Robot base control. Check the base controller capabilities by using the keyboard teleoperation component. Test the omnidirectional movement of the base by setting X and Y velocity references.